Madam, is this not your house?
It is. Any problem?
No, not at all. No problem.
Let's go inside.
Thank you. Madam.
Call me Anita.
Madam, I thought you said you were coming for a business meeting.
This is a meeting. A sexual meeting.
Madam, please, I am married.
Anita.
Okay. Anita, I'm sorry. I am married. And I promised my wife never to cheat on her.
I know you're a good man. And I don't mean to spoil you. Just that there's this electrifying sensation that goes through my brain anytime I set my eyes on you. I cannot resist you. It burns my heart every day. Please quench this fire before it quenches me, please.
Please. Stop. No, I am sorry.
Just kiss me. Kiss me. Touch me. Hold me. Kiss me.
Please. Please. If there is no business meeting, let me go.
Feel my heart. Feel my heart. Touch my head, my brain. I'm hot for you.
What you're doing is irritating me. I respect you. At least respect my marriage. If there is no business meeting, then let me go back to the office. Now!
You're a fool. Which office are you going back to? You are sacked. Go back home to your miserable wife.
Do not insult my wife.
Leave.
I've done nothing to warrant this sack. I've been loyal to the affairs of the company.
And nothing of your doing warrants your employment in the first place. I employed you and I have sacked you. Get the hell out of my house. You are senseless. Get out of my house. No man has ever rejected me before. With all my wealth and beauty, men do crazy things to get my attention. Gosh, you could have been on me, hitting it hard on me now. That guy is mad. Oh my goodness. Is it possible for a man to ever reject a woman like me? This is impossible. What came over Patrick? I think he just wants to pull his stunts, yeah? But I'm waiting for him. I know he will come back for his job. He can't do without that job. I'm very sure about that. Patrick, I'm waiting. That incident happened a long time ago. But I can't seem to get it off my head. People pay money to sleep with some cheap girls. But this guy left his job because he doesn't want to make love to me.
He never left his job. You sacked him, remember?
I thought he was going to come back the next day or something like that.
You thought he was gonna come back the next day or something like that. He knew you wouldn't let him have his job again until he sleeps with you.
Why is it difficult for him? Is he a different species of man?
Anita, listen and listen good. For the fact that Edwin was promiscuous does not mean that every other man out there is promiscuous.
Save me that. All men are promiscuous. Please.
You just bust your bubble. Patrick has proven otherwise. Look, Anita, I've told you countless times to stop living your life carelessly because of your ugly past. At least, Patrick has proven that there's still other good men out there. Just that you were not lucky enough to find one for yourself. You know what? If I must tell you the truth, you owe that man and his family an apology.
He ignores me like I'm a nobody. I need to know what gave him the temerity.
You deserve that. You deserve more than that.
Let me pick one. Cycle. Your turn. Pick again. Okay. Ta-da! 1-0. You feel?
Pick again.
Okay. Grandma! Grandma!
Ọchịcha.
Obia! Stupid children!
Mama, good afternoon.
Why are you sitting here crying like a baby? You should be walking like other women.
Mama, I've not been working for some time now.
That is the problem. Yes, that is where the problem is.
What was the meaning of that? I don't know. Why is Grandma acting like that? She's always angry and shouting.
When other people Grandma visit them, they get so excited. She brings them lots of goodies. When our visitor, she brings us trouble upon trouble.
Yes. But what she just displayed now, it means we are in for another trouble.
Big one at that.
Yes.
She's so mean.
How very well. But look at what she did. Look at my hand.
You have refused to be useful to yourself and to my son. And you have also refused to let my son be. What have I done to you? Tell me, what did I do?
Mama, I don't understand. I am living well with my husband.
You are living well with your husband.
Yes.
And you don't understand. Don't worry. Very soon, you will understand. Where is Patrick? Patrick! Patrick!
He went out.
To do what?
He went to hunt for a job.
Jesus! How? Chimebuomo! How? Chimebuomo! Hi! A boy I sold all my wrappers to train in the university. You have turned him into a hunter. So, my son will go out in the morning hunting for bushmeat while you sit back here eating and getting fat, pretending that you are crying.
Mama, I said job hunting, not bushmeat hunting.
What is the difference between hunting? I went to standard fees. Hunting means in Abanta. My son now is a hunter. In Abanta, a person that hunts for bushmeat. Hey! You're not a wife material. If you're a wife material, how many years are you? My Patrick! Bushmeat hunter. Hey!
came.
I come. Mr. Hunter, I can see you did not catch any bushmeat today. But you see, it would have been better you're hunting in the village of Opoto, in the bushes of Opoto, where there are too many bush meats and the opportunities to catch meat, than to be hunting in the city.
Mama, thank you for your suggestion, but you would have at least informed me that you'll be coming.
Huh? Yeah, I would have taken permission from you before coming to see you, my own son.
Mama, you know my situation.
What is your
situation?
situation?
It's not just rosy for me now.
If it's not rosy for you, let it be hibiscus. But let me tell you, you are a disgrace to me. Yes! But you know what? I've made up my mind that I won't let my suffering and all I went through to see you through and make sure you come of age be in vain. Let me tell you one thing. I know very well you cannot feed me. So breaking news, I have not come to stay. I'll go back to Oto. Listen. Because and I've come to tell you that I've gotten a better wife for you who knows the importance of building a home. What it takes to build a home and build a man.
For my wife, for what?
Once again.
I have a wife already and kids. Male and female for that matter. So there's no need for another wife.
You see? I just said Eboto. And you're proving to me you are the original Toho. You are Toho now. If you're not Toho, you'll not be talking rubbish. Let me tell you. Since you got married, you've totally become useless. Moru Riba. That is because you insisted on marrying that stupid woman I told you that she is not wife material. I warned you. You didn't listen. Now, you are Toho. Ebo Toho. Nkukwa iyetimi fe. Iyetimi fe. Ibro Toho. Pono zobiko. Ebo Toho. Biko keba akpan no kannaba. You are poor. That is what you are. I cannot be Mama. I am leaving your house. It's very obvious you cannot feed me. Look at her. Pretender. I cannot be deceived by your innocent look. Are you the only beautiful woman? You are not. Nonsense. I am going. Where is my bag? Give it to me.
Baby, what did she say to you?
Nothing.
What you crying?
Stupid people, stupid husband, stupid wife, stupid children!
Where are you going to? It's late. Where are you going to?
Oboto is not far from here. Yes, it's just few hours to Oboto. And I cannot sleep here. It's very obvious you cannot feed me. But let me tell you one thing. All my labor to make sure you become a man in life will not go in vain. So you're coming back home to marry a woman who understands what it takes to build a home. And not this pretender here. Yes! Is she the only beautiful woman
Mama,
that is tall?
Mama, don't just inflict pain.
Shut
on my
up!
wife.
Because she has big bum bum and beautiful. For that I should swallow rubbish. Nonsense!
Mama,
She is not a wife material.
You can't continue doing this.
She is not a wife material.
You can't just continue doing this, Mama. Baby, sweetheart, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I promise I will never leave you.
This is not the first time your mother is talking to me in this manner.
I know. But you see, it's time you start ignoring her words. Mama cannot come between us. I'm sorry. Okay? You know I love you.
I love you too.
Come on, give me a hug. Sweetheart, why are you baiting yourself with your own tears? What's going on?
Nothing.
No, come on. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me nothing. You know I hate to see you cry. Your tears hurts me. What is going on? What is it?
I'm sorry. Have you gone to Johnson's Nigeria Limited?
Yes, I've gone to submit my application there for like 3 times.
Go back there tomorrow. They're employing people now. I'm positive that you'll get the job.
Okay, okay. Surely I'll go there tomorrow. I will. But please, please, I do not want to see your tears anymore. Okay? Just wipe your tears. Okay?
I won't cry again.
You good? Come on, let's go inside.
Nine. You're still outside.
Yes. I had a terrible nightmare.
I wonder why your parents did not call you Joseph the Dreamer. So tell me, what is it?
I don't understand why you don't like Annabelle, my daughter-in-law, our daughter-in-law.
Wait, was that what you saw in your dream?
Nedi, since that girl was married into this family, you have never given her a moment of peace. A moment of peace.
Great. I thought you have something serious to say. But let me tell you, From the first day she came into this family, I made it open to her that she is not welcomed here. And she thought I was joking. Was I joking?
Nedi Biko. Biko. Agent Chineke. Chukwu okike abịama na yogi. Don't harm that innocent girl.
Oh.
Remember, your daughter is married to another family. And they have not killed her. Biko.
Wait. Are they not afraid? No, tell me. Is the person not afraid if they touch her and it gets to my ear? I'll pour fire in that family. Of course. I don't need to talk much because they already know who I am. They know me very well.
And here you are tormenting another person's child. Ned, you need to change. You need to change.
Change, Bonyebe. Where is change coming from? I need to change. Change from what? From a good mother to a bad mother? God forbid. I told her she is not welcomed. I am only protecting my son. So I cannot change from good to bad. Now I call rubbish. If you don't know what to say, go to bed and sleep. Nightmare, Joseph. Come, the talking rubbish. Eh? Ina ko pumpunya. Nya. Your daughter-in-law. I had the nightmare. Baby, can be a pag. Let me come and carry you. Like, hey, tell me the nightmare. Don't tell me your nightmare next time.
Sometimes I ask, why is life so unfair to me? And why is everything so hard for me? Why am I always crying?
God.
Sometimes I wonder if I am unlucky.
So I'm going to trek from here to that company for less than 2 hours. God, please help me.
Asking questions every day. I say, why am I unfortunate? Say, why? With all these things happening to me, why?
What kind of breakfast is this?
I wonder. 2 slices of bread and tea without milk. Is it not better we drink garri than to eat this?
No, if we drink garri now, when we come back from school, we'll still drink garri. This is not acceptable.
I shouldn't go to school at all than to eat this.
No, me, I am going to school. I am not eating this thing. In fact,
why are you giving it to me?
take it now.
Sometimes I ask, why is life so unfair to me? And why is everything so hard for me? Why am I always crying?
Mommy, we're going hungry to school today.
I'm sorry about that. Don't worry, I'll prepare something good for both of you to eat by the time you come back from school, okay? And very soon, your father will get a good job and you will no longer go to school hungry. Huh?
Yay! Okay, Mommy.
I love you too.
I love you.
Okay, Mommy, we have to go now.
Take care of
Yes.
yourselves.
Okay.
Let's run.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Baby, I'm leaving already.
Just of luck.
Take care of yourself for me, okay? Are you good? Good. I'll see you soon.
Sometimes I ask, why is life so unfair to me? And why is everything so hard for me? Why am I always crying? Why? Sometimes I wonder if I am unlucky. Sometimes I wonder if I am unfortunate. I watch everything get from bad to worse. Why me? All this got me asking questions every day.
What? What is it?
Enter, let me drop you.
For what? Huh? Why are you disturbing my life? I've asked you to stay away from me. Stay away from me.
I can see you're in a hurry. I just want to help you. Let me drop you. I hate this way you're suffering.
Is it your suffer? Is it your own? Eh? Does my suffer concern you? Please stay away from me. Leave me alone.
Patrick! Let me drop you.
Mr. Man, how may I help you and who are you looking for?
Okay, I heard of a job vacancy here, so I decided to come and see if I can get the job.
No problem. See, you have to go now. If you go, follow the other side.
Okay. Good day.
Yes, how may I help you?
My name is Patrick.
Patrick Okonkwo,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, have a seat. You're welcome.
Thank you. How's work?
Oh, very fine.
Like enjoying the AC and everything. Out there is so hot.
The work is very tedious.
See here, Uju, I don't know why that guy is so stubborn. He's so stubborn. Oh my God.
Who?
Patrick. After the last incident, he has hardened his heart towards me.
You know you were wrong at what you did to him.
Uju, you've told me that a million times, and I said I was sorry. I even apologized to him, but he refused to listen to me. I even asked him to return to the company, but he said no. What do you want me to do? I just... He has ego. Why is his ego so bloated? Why?
You know what, Anita? You have to take it easy on your own self. Calm down. I saw that young man the other day. He was looking so unkempt. I mean, that young man is really suffering.
I saw him today. He was running to work. I guess so because I saw him holding a file. I offered him a lift. He said no. He turned me down. Ego!
Do you know why I'm laughing? I don't need to laugh, please. You can't do that to a young man and expect him to sweep it under the carpet. It's impossible. That young man must have gone through a whole lot in his life. A man with a family? You took food out of that man's mouth. Not just his mouth, his wife and that of his children's mouth. And you are expecting him to be happy?
But I offered him his job back. He refused me. He turned me down. What do you want me to do? I think I need to go talk to his wife. I think I have to do it right away.
It's a good idea.
No, I just need to.
Try. Okay? She would definitely convince him to return to the company. I think you have an idea now. Seriously.
Husband snatcher, what are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
Madam, please calm down. Calm down. I have no bad intentions against you or any member.
Oh, shut up! You have no bad intention against me or any member of my family, okay? Yet you sacked my husband. You sacked him because he refused to sleep with you. Bacchanal Jury target something, you sacked him. And you're here telling me that you don't have any bad intention against me or my husband. Why didn't you pay those small boys? Those sugar boys that are ready to do you anyhow, anytime. And now to get man on engine just the way you want it. Why a married man? Eh? Why did you go after my husband, a married man? When you sacked him, did you think of his family? If you claim that you didn't have bad intention, did you think about his wife and family? Eh? Calm down, you're in my house. Don't tell me to calm down.
Everything you said is correct. That is why I want him back to the company.
Huh? You want my husband, Odogunwokem, Okuloka, back to your company. Hmm? So you have devised another means to lure him to your bed. And you want to have the taste of him, okay? It will not work. Never! For your information, my husband has found another job. A better one at that. Yes, a better one. But I promise you something. Heaven will not forgive you for what you made me and my family pass through because of you. Now get out of my house.
Madam, please calm down.
Oh, say, madam, please. Get out! Get out before I smash your head and no fear. I don't mean any harm. I want him back. You want to have a taste of my sweet husband. Big, strong, reliable. And no fear.
So he even told his wife about this. This man is another breed of man. This is strange. How could he love his wife so much as to tell her a thing like this? This is the true meaning of marriage. Now I know that what I did with Edwin was not marriage.
I love you too. Yes, I love you too. Come, you know I will always come around to see you. Alright, it's okay. Call the call. I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye for now.
I heard you loud and clear. You love her, right?
Anita, that was my brother. Yes. Can't I love my brother?
Oh, Edwin, you know what? Most times I think you deserve an applaud. For the way you lie without stress.
You don't even trust me, Anita. You don't trust me at all. No, Anita, when will you start believing in me? When?
Believe in you when you lie? Believe in a lie? Except I don't know it's a lie. Stop all these lies. If not, you won't like my reaction. Nonsense. Yeah, hello Marcus. Yes. Meet me at Twin Tower Hotel. And come ready. When I mean ready, I mean ready. 8 hours non-stop. Yes, and if you know you cannot go 8 hours non-stop, don't bother coming. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. We lived in lies and deceit. With our hands, we cut the cords that joined us as husband and wife. Blame. We blame people for our errors and still live in them like it's normal. Life could be sweeter when it's pure. I wish I can have a rewind.
Young lady.
Yes, Mr. Patrick, if you know you cannot wait, you can go home to come back another day. And then I will tell him you came.
No. I'm okay. I'm not. I'll wait. I can't go anywhere.
Fine. I can see I'm very busy right now.
No problem. I'm here. I'm fine. I can't just go home like that.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Where's Mr. Patrick?
I'm good, sir.
Mr. Patrick, how are you?
I'm good, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, please show him to his office.
Okay.
He's the new general accountant. Well, here. That's your appointment letter. Enclosed in that brown envelope is the sum of 200,000 naira to get you ready for your resumption on Monday.
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you.
Lest I forgot. Can you drive?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Do you have a driver's license?
It's just go and renew it.
Wow, then in that case, I think you should renew it before Monday. Yes, because you're entitled to an official car. And upon resumption, your car will be presented to you. So, Mr. Patrick,
Sir.
see you on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Sir, wait.
Oh, that's okay, that's okay, that's okay.
This one you're jumping up and down, dancing like a new boxing people. What? Wait, did you get the job?
Of course, as you can see, I've gotten the job.
Oh my God!
I am the chief accountant of this company.
Hey! I soak myself with the blood of palm wine. So, sir.
I'll see you.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Hey! Open the gates.
My new boss.
Yes, open the gates.
Hey! Hey! You get the job?
Yes.
Oh my God! Hi! So this is how this life is. The man that came here and been knocking pop for me few hours ago has now become my own boss. What can I say? Good morning. Hey! Bam. God, you need to change me. You need to change me. You need to change my life. Eh? I don't do any other thing, no. I don't sin. Somebody like me need to be changed. Under a few hours, bam, I'll become boss. Oh, this is life for self, boy.
Baby! Baby! Oh my God! Baby, come, I have a good news for you. Our God has done it again. Where are you? Come. Where are you? Come. God has done it again. Yeah. Come on.
Waiting for you.
Stop this. Come on. God has done it. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Only see. Okay. God has done it again. Eh? Babe, hold on now. What is it? Baby, hold on. I know you're happy. Hold on. I'll give it to you. I know.
Let's go. I want it now.
Please stop! What is it? What has come over you?
You want to do your favorite style? Back.
Oh, so stop this now.
Do back.
The door is open, oh. Baby, stop. What is wrong with you? What has come over you? What is it? Come, let me tell you.
Your dog is not working again.
Yeah.
I will go outside and look for somebody that will give me hot.
This is serious.
Hot.
Sweetheart.
Hot.
What is wrong with you?
Hot.
What is wrong with you?
Your dog is not working again. I want hot.
Stop this now. Can you name it?
Okay. Are you ready to give me hot now?
Yeah, okay, yes.
You are ready?
Yes, I'll give
you.
I'll give it to you. Come on.
Yes.
Hey, stop. Hey, wait. Hey. Hey, what is it? What is this? What is going on? Baby, baby, see. I have gotten a job. Okay? Yes, let's go inside. Let's go. Wait, stop. Let's go inside so I'll give it to you, okay? Yes. No. Stop. Okay. Hey. I see. I got a job today, and getting home, I met my wife in a very bad condition.
Bad condition?
Yeah, yes.
What happened to her?
I don't know. When I saw her, she was just behaving funny, almost naked. She was just saying the things that I know my wife would never say.
Naked? No, that's strange. My wife almost said this. Okay. You can go. I'll come and see you.
Okay.
Come.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Wake up.
back, Mom. I'm hungry.
The door is locked.
It's locked, no. No, please, please. Oh, my tummy is bleeding here.
You need to see what I saw a moment ago.
What is it?
I saw people trying to force Patchy's wife into a vehicle. And Patchy was literally crying like a baby.
Oh my God. Where are they now?
I wouldn't know. I mean, that young man is really suffering. I feel pity for him. He's already looking for strength. I'm coming. What are you up to? Anita!
Wow.
No, what is the meaning of this?
I'm sorry for persistently coming close to you. But this time
Hey, stop. Stay away from me. And stay away from my family, please.
I know I've made mistakes. I shouldn't have let my emotions take the better part of me. I'm sorry.
So let me tell you something. You're not going to get any part of me. You're not going to see me. You can't even see my boxers. Talk more of the thing inside. So just go and stay away.
I have told you times that number. I'm no longer interested in that. What I want is just to make up for my wrong.
If you want to make up, just go and never to come back. Stay away from me, please. Because if anything happens to my children, I will hold you responsible.